Endoplasmic reticulum. How many types of pipelines are there in your building home? What are their functions? What will happen if they weren't there? The various types of pipelines used in building homes are as follows. Water pipelines to distribute water from source to building homes, internal distribution to different taps and rooms. Gas pipelines to distribute gas to homes for cooking purpose. Next is air conditioner pipelines. Connection between indoor and outdoor units of the air conditioner, etc. D. Sewage pipelines. Carry waste from homes and buildings to sewage tanks and or treatment plants. If these pipelines were not there, day-to-day activities would have been hampered, safe transport and disposal of waste would not be possible. Also, it would be very difficult to transport things from the site of the production to their target destination. The organelle which conducts various substances inside the cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum has a net-like structure consisting of interconnected miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. Endoplasmic reticulum is connected to nucleus from inner side to plasma membrane from outer side. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has rhizosome granules on its outer surface. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. First, it is the framework that supports cell. Second, conduction of proteins. Third, toxins that have entered the body through food, air and water are made water soluble by endoplasmic reticulum and then flushed out of the body. Think about it. What materials are used to pack your favorite biscuits and chocolate? Different materials need to pack biscuits and chocolates include papers, plastic, cardboard, butter paper, polypropylene, aluminium foil, glass, etc. What is the function of packing department of any factory? The packaging department of a factory is responsible for the designing, evaluation and production of packages. It is their duty to pack the materials in such a way that the material can be reached to the consumer in a secured manner. The package thus needs to provide a physical barrier to prevent damage as well as should be convenient for transport to the appropriate target site. Similar to this, eukaryotic cells contain the Golgi complex. It works like the packaging department of the cell and packages and distributes substances throughout the cell. Golgi complex. It is made up of 5 to 8 hollow and flat sacs placed parallel to each other. These sacs are called cisterine and are filled with different enzymes. The proteins coming from endoplasmic reticulum are enclosed in vessels which come towards Golgi complex via cytoplasm. They fuse with the formation phase of the Golgi membranes and empty their contents in the cisterine. As they pass through the cisterine, they are chemically modified with the help of enzymes. They are again packed in the vessels. These vessels exist from the maturation phase. The cisterine work like a packing department that packs and distributes substances.